Welcome to the Wealth Wisdom, where knowledge becomes power and power builds your future.
In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 best penny stocks to buy right now. 2 of these stocks have the potential to 10x your investment in the next few weeks, with massive catalysts only days away. This is a must-watch video for anyone who is serious about penny stocks right now. Now, we have a lot to get through in this video, so I will try to keep this intro short. But if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs you nothing, and it helps me out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. And I would really appreciate if you could try to answer the question. At the end of this video, winner, stock $1 billion company priced at pennies. So let's get straight into it. Applied Digital develops, builds, and operates next-generation data centers and cloud infrastructure in North America. Its data centers provide digital infrastructure solutions to high-performance computing industry. The company also provides artificial intelligence cloud services, high-performance computing, data center, and crypto data center hosting services. The company's purpose-built facilities are engineered to unleash the power of accelerated computing and deliver secure, scalable, and sustainable digital hosting along with software as a service and GPU as a service solutions. Backed by deep hyperscale expertise and a robust pipeline of available power, Applied Digital accommodates AI factories to support the world's most exacting AI, ML, blockchain, and high-performance computing workloads. Looking at the investor's presentation, we can see that Applied Digital have a world-class management team with decades of experience across industry-leading companies. The company has been positioning itself for huge growth over the past few years, and that has now ramped up with over $5 billion in funding agreements. To support data center development, AI demand is increasing, and so too is the demand for power. The demand for power capacity is expected to triple in the next 5 years, with hundreds of billions of dollars being spent annually by the world's leading companies. But what do analysts think of Applied Digital? And this is where it gets interesting. APLD stock currently has a price target of just $10, which is 145% upside from the current price. This is a consensus of 9 Wall Street analysts who all rate APLD stock as a buy. The highest price target of $20 was set back in February by Northland Securities, while the most recent was set this week. Needham placed at $10 by rating on APLD stock. In recent days, Applied Digital is being considered as possibly the best under-the-radar AI stock on the entire market. And as I'm recording this today, the stock is already on the move, up over 5% and counting. NVIDIA recently disclosed a stake in APLD stock, and institutions are also loading up. 30 Partners grew its holdings in shares of Applied Digital by 199%. And despite Renaissance Technologies selling off 140,000 shares this week, Upon Capital and Jump Financial have bought over 700,000 shares, while Marshall Wace LLP just bought a whopping 1.3 million shares. This is an AI company with $5 billion in funding, but is valued at just $970 million right now. This is a stock that needs to be on your watch list. Stock 2. Do not underestimate this. Big Bear AI is a leading provider of AI-powered decision intelligence solutions for national security, digital identity, and supply chain management. Customers and partners rely on Big Bear AI's artificial intelligence and predictive analytics capabilities in complex, distributed, mission-based operating environments. Big Bear provides decision intelligence solutions for supply chain and logistics, enterprise operations, and cybersecurity, and partners with customers to design and implement solutions tailored to their needs. This is not a startup company that has jumped on an AI trend recently. This is a real company with real customers and real revenues. Big Bear AI has been providing a higher form of decision intelligence within the defense and intelligence market since 1988 and has a growing presence in the commercial sector. We can see the increasing size of their addressable market and the increasing federal AI spend. This is likely much more now than what was previously forecasted. Their customers include the Army, DARPA, and Homeland Security. These can be huge customers. This has led to serious questions, such as, could Big Bear AI become the next Palantir Technologies? An article discusses this possibility, stating that Palantir and Big Bear AI share many similarities across their suite of AI solutions. Big Bear has significant upside potential, but still has work to do to convince the market of its long-term commercial opportunities. This is very interesting because I remember the exact same things being said about Palantir. And Palantir is now listed on the S&P 500. Big Bear recently announced that they will deploy an AI/ML-powered planning and production platform for Astral USA, one of the largest shipbuilders in the U.S. and a module supplier for U.S. Navy submarines. Last month, they were awarded a 3.5-year Department of Defense contract to modernize the Defense Force management platform. However, the company is also the subject of a class action lawsuit due to improper accounting of 2026 convertible notes. But is Big Bear AI a buy? According to MarketBeat, for analysts have rated it with a consensus price target of $5, 33 and 85% upside from the current price. Stock 3, at rock bottom now. Revenue exceeds market cap. Huge catalyst soon. Rika Systems is a technology company providing infrastructure solutions for transportation, public safety, and urban mobility markets in the U.S. and internationally. Using AI, Rika connects and organizes the world's mobility data to deliver revolutionary roadway intelligence. Their award-winning patented technology delivers solutions to countless agencies and businesses today. Their platforms include Rika One, considered the world's most advanced roadway intelligence engine, along with Rika Discovery, Command, and Scout. Rika Edge Systems capture vehicle and traffic data, and Rika CarCheck and Autonomous identify vehicles in violation of regulations. They have over 140 years of combined experience from leading organizations such as Oz, Dell, and Lockheed Martin. Rika has over 500 software customers on multi-year contracts including Ohio, North Carolina, and Texas Departments of Transportation, and the U.S. Department of Defense. The market opportunity is massive, expected to grow to $148 billion by next year. Rika recently announced a collaboration with SoundHound AI to transform emergency vehicle technology. They also reported record revenue and operational improvements. Two analysts rated this stock as a buy but declined to give price targets. Previous targets were as high as $4 when the company was much smaller. Stock 4. This stock gained to 1,000% last time I called it. KULR Technologies is a leading energy management platform company, accelerating the electrification of the circular economy. They develop and license next-generation carbon fiber thermal management technologies for batteries and electronic systems. They operate in a huge market: aerospace, defense, e-mobility, lithium batteries, and global recycling. The energy storage market is expected to hit $400 billion by 2030. Their partners include SpaceX, Boeing, Meta, Philips, GM, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, Rivian, Tesla, NASA, and more. Revenue is up 890% in 3 years. While the company is becoming more efficient with cash usage, they were awarded $6.7 million by the Texas Space Commission to advance the KULR-1 space battery platform. Today, they announced a partnership with Astroforge to develop a custom 500W Color 1 battery pack for space. MarketBeat lists one analyst rating KULR buy with a $5 target, 289% upside. Stock 5 could explode any day. Do not underestimate this. OS Therapies is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing treatments for aggressive cancers and tumors. Their candidate OSTAGE-RS has conditional approval pending full approval. They have major catalysts in the next few weeks. Earlier this week, the FDA granted their meeting request with a written response-only format, confirming a response by mid-June, just in time for the company's presentation on June 28th. OSTAGE-RS received Rare Pediatric Disease designation. If granted conditional BLA approval, the company becomes eligible for a Priority Review Voucher (PRV). Recent PRV sale valuations hit $150 million in February this year. The entire company is valued at just $34 million today. 5 analysts rate it a buy, with price targets ranging from $15 to $20. The stock is currently only $1.50. In this video, I looked at 5 top penny stocks. Which do you think is the best? I'm extremely bullish on 2 of these in particular. Can you guess which ones? Drop a comment and rank them 1 to 5. This is just my opinion and not financial advice. Always do your own research. If you enjoyed this analysis, like and subscribe. Follow me on X, and I'll catch you in the next video.